If you're looking for a free streaming website like Cataz, you've probably noticed that finding a reliable option isn't as easy as it used to be. Some websites disappear overnight, others constantly change their domain, and some simply aren't safe to use. So in this video, I'm going to show you some of the best legal alternatives to Cataz in 2026. These platforms let you watch movies and TV shows completely legally without worrying about unofficial websites or risky downloads. Let's get started. First recommendation is Pluto TV is one of the most popular free streaming services available today. It offers hundreds of live TV channels, along with a large library of movies, TV shows, news, sports, and entertainment. Everything is completely free because the platform is supported by advertisements. You don't even need to pay a monthly subscription to start watching. The second option is Tubi has one of the largest free movie libraries available. You'll find action movies, comedies, thrillers, horror, family, films, documentaries, anime, and thousands of TV episodes. The catalog is updated regularly, so there's always something new to discover. Another excellent choice is Plex. Many people know Plex as a media server, but today it also includes thousands of free movies, TV shows, and live television channels available directly through the Plex app. It is available on smart TVs, phones, tablets, and web browsers, making it a very convenient option. One more platform worth mentioning is Kanopy. Is a little different because access is available through participating public libraries and universities. If your local library supports the service, you can watch award-winning movies, classic films, documentaries, and educational content completely free. Now, you may be wondering, why choose these services instead of unofficial streaming websites? The biggest reason is reliability. Legal streaming platforms don't constantly change their domain names. Their apps are available in official app stores, they receive regular updates, and they don't require suspicious downloads or unknown software. Another important advantage is security. When you use official streaming platforms, you're far less likely to encounter malware, fake download buttons, or dangerous advertisements. Everything is designed to provide a much safer viewing experience. Another thing many people appreciate is compatibility. Most of these services work on smart TVs, Android, iPhone, Roku, Fire TV, Apple TV, game consoles, and almost any modern web browser, so you can start watching on whichever device you already own. Now let's be honest, while free legal platforms may not always have every brand new movie on release day, they still offer thousands of hours of entertainment without the risks that often come with unofficial streaming websites. For many viewers, that's a much better trade-off. So to summarize, if you're looking for legal alternatives to Cataz in 2026, Pluto TV, Tubi, Plex, and Kanopy are among the best options available. They're free, easy to use, supported on many different devices, and offer large libraries of movies, TV shows, and live entertainment. Because honestly, when you can enjoy great content legally, with stable apps, better security, and a much smoother experience, it's usually the smartest choice.